Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics. Early Year Foundation Stage 1. Hey, little detectives. Ready for a word adventure? Look at the first picture. Can you tell me what it is? That's right. It's a doll. Now, which sound does doll start with? Correct. It's D. Grab your pencil and circle the D. Hey, moving on. What about this colorful fruit? Yes, it's an orange. And which letter does orange begin with? Fantastic. It's O. Circle the O next to the orange. Now, check out this tall creature with spots. What do you think it is? Yes, it's a giraffe. And what sound does giraffe start with? Exactly, it's G. Circle the G near the giraffe. Let's dive into the sea. What's this swimming friend? Right, it's a fish. Now, which sound does fish start with? Well done, it's F. Circle the F by the fish. Now, focus on this strong and secure object. What is it? Yes, it's a lock. And which sound begins lock? Great, it's L. Circle the L next to the lock. Last one. Look up. What's keeping you dry in the rain? It's an umbrella. And what sound starts umbrella? You got it. It's U. Circle the U by the umbrella. Fantastic work, little word wizards. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.